What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw the cat in a hat. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw two ovals for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, start from the very top, go all the way down towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw the same size oval on the right. So start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now I want to push the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a smaller oval, going all the way around. Line that up on the right side. And then along the top of the pupils, draw a small circle for a highlight. And we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Let's move to the center in between the eyes along the bottom. Draw a small oval for the nose, and then fill that in black. Now I'm going to move down and out towards the side and draw the cheeks. Let's start on the left, bend this around and then out. Line this up on the right, going the opposite direction. Now in the center, we'll draw the mouth, coming down in the middle, round this out, and then pull that up. Let's go back to the center, step down and add a small curve for the lower lip. Now let's go back to the bottom of the nose, draw a straight line coming down towards the mouth, and we'll stop right about there. Now let's go back to the eyes, move out to the side and draw in the ears. So we'll start on the left. We're going to bend this up and then out. Line this up on the right side. From the tip, bend the ear coming down and back in. Let's add a fold going up in the center, going up and then out. And then for the top of the ears, we're going to draw a curve for the hat. We're going to go up above the eyes and then back down. Now we're going to move up, curl the side of the hat brim, going around, up in the middle, and then tuck that in behind the ear. And then we'll overlap the eyebrows on top of the hat brim. Starting on the left, bend this up, come around, and then down. Now underneath the ears, we're going to draw the fur cheeks. Let's start on the left. We're going to bend this out and then down, and bend it back in to create a point. Let's add another one, going around the corner of the mouth, then up. Let's add one more, pulling this in towards the chin, and then up. Now I want to pull the head coming down and in towards the center point. So starting back at the left, coming down, and then in. Let's add a couple spots along the outside. So I'll add 3 on the left, and 3 on the right. And then from the cheeks, we're going to add the whiskers. Start with a curve going out and then down. Let's add one more. Stepping down, going out, and then down. Now that we complete the face, let's move up and draw on the hat. We're going to start over on the left side. I want to bend the hat going over towards the right. So start up here, bend this up, across. I'm just going to fold this down towards the right side. Let's step back, draw on the right side, going out. I'm just going to bend this in towards the side, step back, bend this around, and then down on top. Let's add those thick stripes going across the hat. Starting from the top left, bend this up, and then down, step down, add another curve, draw that again. I'll add one more stripe. Now I'm going to add a little bit of shaded texture along the outside of the head. Starting underneath the hat on the left, add 2 curves coming in from the ears. Let's add a little bit of texture along the side, coming down towards the whiskers, and then along the bottom. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of the cat in the hat. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.